You are not stuck. You are patterned, and patterns can be rewritten. For the next few minutes, forget motivation, forget willpower, forget just try harder. Your brain is not broken. It is programmed. And for the next 30 days, we're going to reprogram it. But understand this first. If you do what most people do, nothing changes. If you watch this, feel inspired, and go back to scrolling tomorrow, your brain wins. Because your brain loves comfort. It loves repetition. It does not care about your dreams. It cares about survival, and survival prefers familiar misery over unfamiliar growth. That's why you overthink. That's why you procrastinate. That's why you repeat the same cycles. Not because you're weak, because your neural pathways are strong. And today, we're going to weaken the wrong ones and strengthen the right ones. This is the 30-day Brain Rewire Challenge. Not hype, not dopamine detox fantasy. Real neuroplasticity, real measurable change. If you follow this precisely, your focus will sharpen, your overthinking will reduce, your discipline will increase, and your emotional reactivity will drop. But only if you execute. Let's begin. Your brain rewires based on repetition and emotional intensity. Neurons that fire together, wire together. That's not motivational talk. That's neuroscience. Every habit you have right now is a reinforced neural loop. Cue, action, reward. Repeated enough times, it becomes automatic. So if you want a new identity, you need new automatic behaviors. Week 1 is pattern awareness. You cannot rewire what you don't see. For 7 days, you track 3 things. 1. What triggers your distraction? 2. What triggers your negative thinking? 3. What time of day your energy crashes? No fixing, no judging, just observing. Why? Because awareness activates the prefrontal cortex, the rational control center. Most people live in limbic autopilot. Awareness alone weakens compulsive behavior. At the end of week 1, you will see patterns, and patterns reveal leverage points. Week 2 is micro-disruption. This is where most people fail. They try to overhaul everything. Wrong. Massive change triggers massive resistance. We use small strategic rewiring. Choose 1 habit only, not 5, not 10. 1. If you overthink, your new rule is write the decision in 60 seconds. If you scroll at night, your rule is phone out of room before sleep. Small, precise, repeatable. Why small? Because small actions bypass amygdala resistance. Your brain does not panic at small shifts, and repetition builds myelin around new circuits. You are not building motivation, you are building wiring. Week 3 is identity installation. This is the turning point. Behavior changes when identity shifts. Stop saying, I'm trying to be disciplined. Start saying, I am someone who executes. Every morning, write 1 line. I am the type of person who blank. Then prove it once that day. Tiny proof. Daily. The brain updates identity based on evidence, not affirmations. Evidence. When identity shifts, behavior stabilizes. Week 4 is dopamine regulation. Most modern brains are overstimulated. Short videos, constant novelty, fast rewards. This destroys baseline focus. For the final 7 days, you reduce artificial dopamine spikes. No phone first 30 minutes of the day. No multitasking. Single task blocks of 25 minutes. 1 deliberate uncomfortable action daily. Cold shower, hard workout, difficult conversation. Why? Because discomfort expands stress tolerance, and stress tolerance increases executive control. Your brain learns, I survive challenge. And when the brain stops fearing challenge, growth accelerates. Now let's talk results. What changes in 30 days? Overthinking reduces because action replaces rumination. Procrastination drops because starting becomes automatic. Confidence increases because identity is reinforced daily. Emotional control improves because awareness interrupts reaction. Will you become a new person in 30 days? No. You become a new direction, and direction repeated becomes destiny. Here's the truth most people won't say. You don't need more information. You need neural repetition. The difference between who you are and who you want to be is not intelligence. It is wiring. And wiring responds to consistency. But let me challenge you. Most of you will feel motivated right now, and tomorrow you'll negotiate with yourself. that negotiation, that voice. That's the old circuit fighting survival. When resistance appears, smile. It means rewiring is happening. Growth feels uncomfortable because the brain predicts loss before gain. Stay with the protocol. Track daily. Act small. Repeat. 30 days from now, you will not feel dramatic transformation. You will feel control, and control compounds. If you want the downloadable 30-day tracker, comment Rewire. If you're serious about rebuilding your mind, subscribe to Nervix, because your brain is not your enemy. Are you going to rewatch this, or are you going to rewire yourself?